The Lviv State Aircraft Repair Plant of Ukraine handed over an upgraded MiG-29 fighter to the country's Air Force. The state enterprise Lviv State Aircraft Repair Plant, which is a part of Ukroboronprom, has overhauled the MiG-29, the main combat aircraft of the Air Force of the Armed Forces of Ukraine. As part of the execution of the State Defense Order, the plant specialists restored the aircraft's resource indicators. The planned works were performed in compliance with the terms stipulated in the contract. The plane was fitted with overhauled engines and the latest avionics. The service life of the repaired MiG-29 is 8 years, with the possibility of its extension to 12 years, a Ukroboronprom release said. Despite the obstacles, we mobilized all resources and fulfilled our obligations in a timely manner. Commitment to repair aircraft of the armed forces, said Dmytro Matrunchyk, director of the Lviv State Aircraft Repair Plant. The received aircraft is reported to be part of the MiG-29 Mu-1, Mu-2 upgrade program, which includes a satellite navigation system, electronic defense system, an updatable threat database, as well as an electronic countermeasures system. The upgraded aircraft will have enhanced capability to strike ground targets.